No. Oh, he's on the same radio channel?
What are you?
7. Hello?
I'm 11-8.
Oh.
Take the street in the back.
I got it.
Side of the truck.
Shoot.
Terminator's gonna come out in 1 minute. 1 minute.
Terminator, 1 minute out.
Guys, when he comes out, you guys need to give him cover. Hold the hell. There's no cover. Put the fire on those barrels.
Move up. We need to move up. If you guys give me cover fire, I'm going to run.
All right, ready? 1, 2, 3, go.
At the blast building. At the blast building.
What?
Radio, dude.
Moving up the right side.
Straight ahead. Watch your back. Watch your back. Cover that way. What are you doing? Dude, you're out. You're in the open. This guy's right over here. Get out of there.
Move up the right side, people.
We are on the right side.
Hey, guys. Hey, shoot, Brendan. When they stop shooting, you shoot, and then I'll stick my head up and shoot.
Hit. Where did my dead red go? Hit. You piece of crap. You get corn dogs for that, dude.
Oh, hit!
You get corn dogs for that one. That one hurt.